Hey everybody, welcome back. We're going to talk about Tesla stock today and whether now is a good time to buy or if you should wait. Before we begin, please make sure to click the subscribe button and sound the alarm to stay up to date on all things related to money and investment. Let's begin. Recent performance. First things first, let's take a quick look at how Tesla's stock has been doing lately. Tesla has had, name current trends, highs, and lows, over the past, insert time frame. This gives us a quick look at where the price is right now. Market news and trends. Now, let's look at any new market news or trends that could have an effect on Tesla's stock. Keep an eye on things like, insert important things like changes in the law, industry trends, etc. Financial health. Next, it's very important to look at Tesla's finances. Check out important money signs like sales growth, earnings reports, and any upcoming money events like, insert relevant event, such as earnings calls. Opinions of analysts. What do the experts think? Read what different analysts have to say about Tesla. Are they telling you to buy, hold, or sell? Think about why they made the suggestions they did. Elon Musk's effects. Elon Musk, who is CEO of Tesla, often has a big effect on the stock. Watch for any new comments, product releases, or other events involving Musk that might change how investors feel. Bullish signs. First, let's talk about the bullish signs that could mean now is a great time to buy Tesla stock. Keep an eye out for good trends, like, insert factors like strong earnings growth, growing market share, or major technology advances. If you want to do a technical study, you should look at the charts. Find important levels of support and resistance, as well as moving averages and any new patterns that might point to a buying chance. Catalysts on the horizon. Are there any upcoming events that could make the price of Tesla stock go up? This could include the release of new products, changes to regulations, or agreements that are good for the business. World of competitors. Look at where Tesla stands in the landscape of competitors. Are there things that give Tesla an edge over its competitors? Are there new threats that could slow its growth? It is very important to understand how the market works. Bearish signs and risks. On the other hand, let's not ignore possible risks. Look at any signs that the market is going down, like, list possible risks like market volatility, macroeconomic factors, or worries about Tesla's business plan. It's important to see things from both sides. Mood of investors. Look at how investors feel. Do individual and big investors have faith in Tesla's future, or do they have doubts? Keeping an eye on how people feel can give you clues about how the market might move. Insider dealing. First things first, let's look at trading that takes place inside the company. Keep an eye on recent deals made by people who work for the company. Do business leaders buy or sell shares? Insider activity can show how confident the management team is in the future of the company. Holding by institutions. Look into holding by institutions. Should big institutional investors raise or lower their stakes in Tesla? Support from institutions can show that people believe in the company's long-term promise. ESG considerations. Environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors are having a bigger impact on investment choices these days. How does Tesla stack up when it comes to being environmentally friendly, being a good business citizen, and doing the right thing? Think about these things because they might affect how appealing the stock is to buyers who care about doing good. Future growth opportunities. Look into Tesla's chances for future growth. This could include future market growth, improvements in technology for self-driving cars, or possible partnerships. Knowing how Tesla plans to grow in the future can give you useful information. Conditions of the world market. Think about the conditions of the world market. What effects could events in other countries, changes in the economy, or other outside causes have on Tesla's worldwide business? A more thorough study of the market can help you predict possible hurdles or tailwinds. Prices set by analysts. Check out price targets set by analysts. What do experts think the price of Tesla's stock will be in the next few months or years? Even though everyone has a different view, analyst predictions can give you a general idea of where the stock might go. Start with a deep dive into fundamental analysis, says the author of Basic Analysis. Check Tesla's income, expenses, and cash flow on its financial records. Look at important ratios like P/E, P/B, and debt amounts to get a sense of the company's financial health and value. SWOT analysis. Look at Tesla's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in a SWOT analysis. This strategic analysis can give you a full picture of where Tesla stands in the market right now. Macroeconomic trends. Look into macroeconomic trends that could have an effect on Tesla. Think about things like interest rates, inflation, and the state of the economy as a whole. Knowing about the bigger picture of the economy can help you guess how the market might move. Dividend and buyback policies. Even though Tesla doesn't pay dividends right now, look into how the company handles returns to shareholders. Do we know if there will be dividends or plans to buy back shares in the future? This information can help us figure out how Tesla plans to use its money. Possible investments. Learn about the different ways you can invest in Tesla stock. You could invest for the long run, trade in swings, or even trade options. The risk and return of each plan are different, so pick the one that fits your financial goals and risk level. Calls about earnings and advice. Look over recent earnings calls and the advice that Tesla's management has given. Pay attention to what they say on these calls, including their attitude, advice, and anything else that stands out. Communication from management can give you clues about the company's long-term goals, sentiment in the market, and short interest. Look into how the market feels and how many people are shorting Tesla stock. Is there a lot of short interest, which could mean people are skeptical? Look at how the mood of the market might affect short-term stock moves. Price goals set by analysts. First, look at the price goals set by analysts for Tesla. How are the predictions that most people agree on different? Think about the reasons behind predictions that are too hopeful or too pessimistic to get a full picture of what the market is expecting. Bull and bear situations. Look at both situations where Tesla stock goes up and down. What problems could cause prices to go up, and what problems could cause them to go down? Looking at these possible outcomes can help you get ready for possible market changes. Option strategies. Learn how to trade options for Tesla. Learning how to use derivatives can give you more ways to manage risk and increase returns, whether you're thinking about covered calls, safe puts, or other advanced option strategies. Tech talk. Look more closely at the technical analysis signs for Tesla stock. Find the most important amounts of support and resistance, trend lines, and possible chart patterns. Technical analysis can help you decide when to enter and leave a market with more knowledge. Investor sentiment. Check how investors feel about Tesla. Do most retail buyers think the market will go up, or is there a lot of doubt? Figuring out how people feel about something can help you predict how the market might move. Potential catalysts. Name some possible events that could have an effect on Tesla's stock in the next few months. This could include news about new products, changes to regulations, or big agreements. Keep an eye on events that could have a big effect on the stock's path. Conclusion. As we wrap up our discussion on Tesla stock predictions, it's crucial to approach investing with a well-informed strategy. Keep an eye on analyst forecasts, consider different scenarios, explore option strategies, leverage technical analysis, monitor sentiment, and stay informed about potential catalysts. If you found this analysis valuable, show your support by hitting that like button, subscribing,